Okay, we are on part 2 of lesson 42. First thing we need to do is put on our heading, name, number, date. You never know when a page could get ripped out and you want to be able to keep track of it. Remember to put down the date you are working on the notes and not necessarily the date I am writing. Your subject is math. Alright, so first thing we're going to do here is we're going to estimate. And when we're estimating for fractions, we go to the nearest whole number. So 6 is already a whole number. 3/4, well, half of 4 is 2. 2/4. So 3 is greater than 2/4, so it is closer to 1. 6 take away 1 is 5. The estimate is 5. Alright, so here I'm going to take 6 and just 6 I can't take away 3/4. So I'm going to rename it as 5 and 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4/4. It's still 6. I just renamed it, so now I have a fraction to be able to take away. So I subtract just the fractions. 4/4 take away 1, 2, 3. 4 take away 3 is 1. 1/4. 5 take away 0 is 5. So I bring my whole number and my fraction together. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1/4. Is that close to my estimate of 5? Very close. So it is reasonable. The difference is 5 and 1/4. And it is reasonable because it is close to my estimate of 5. Alright, so here we're going to estimate again. I have 2 and 3/12. Well, half of 12 is 6, so 6/12 is our halfway benchmark. This is less than 6, so that's closer to just being 2. 1 and 8/12. Well, 8 is more than 6, more than that halfway benchmark, so that is closer to being 2. 2 take away 2 is 0. So that means it's going to be just a fraction most likely. It's going to be close to almost nothing. The estimate is 0. Alright, so first thing I need to do, because here 3, I can't take away 8. I don't have enough pieces, so I have to rename 2 and 3/12. I'm going to take away one of the whole units and cut it into 12 pieces. So I still have one whole, but then I have one of them cut into 12/12. This one has been cut into 12 pieces. They are all there. And I already have 3/12. So I'm going to rename this mixed number as 1 whole. 12 plus 3 is 15/12. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15/12. So 1 whole and 15/12 take away 1 whole and 8/12. So first I'm subtracting the fractions. 15/12 take away 8/12. 15 take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7/12. 1 whole, take away 1 whole, leaves me with 0. So we take that, bring that whole number together with the fraction, and we just have 7/12. It's a little more than half, but that's closer to being 0 than it is being 2 or 5 or anything like that. So it is reasonable. The difference is 7/12, and it is reasonable because it is close to my estimate of 0. Alright, so now it's time for a little more practice with subtracting mixed numbers. Thank you for joining me.